Welcome to Reneenergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Welcome to a pivotal moment in aviation history. As we stand at the crossroads between innovation and sustainability, the aviation industry is poised for a transformation. Accounting for roughly 2.5% of global carbon dioxide emissions, the push towards reducing the environmental footprint of air travel has never been more urgent. Amid this backdrop, hydrogen emerges as a promising harbinger of change, offering a zero-emission future for aviation. Join us on Reneenergy.com as we journey through the advancements, challenges, and pioneers propelling us towards hydrogen-powered skies. Chapter 1: The Power of Hydrogen Unveiled. Hydrogen fuel cells are revolutionizing the way we think about aviation. By harnessing hydrogen to generate electricity through an electrochemical reaction, these cells promise an efficient, silent mode of propulsion, leaving behind nothing but water vapor. In this chapter, we dive into the workings of hydrogen fuel cells, their edge over traditional jet fuels, and the technical challenges that lie ahead. From the quest for efficient hydrogen storage solutions to the creation of a supportive infrastructure, the road to hydrogen aviation is paved with innovation. Chapter 2: Trailblazers of the Hydrogen Revolution. The push towards hydrogen-powered flight is championed by visionaries and industry leaders alike. ZeroAvia leads the charge with their groundbreaking hydrogen fuel cell-powered flights, setting the stage for a new era in aviation. Not far behind, Airbus unveils its Zero concept designs, promising a range of zero-emission commercial aircraft by 2035. This chapter profiles these key players, their milestones, and the collaborative efforts driving the sector towards a sustainable future. Chapter 3: Milestones in Hydrogen Aviation. The journey towards sustainable skies is marked by significant breakthroughs. ZeroAvia's historic flight of a commercial-grade aircraft powered by hydrogen fuel cells stands as a testament to the viability of this technology. The HY4 project's development of a four-seater passenger aircraft and NASA's successful hydrogen drone tests further underscore the potential of hydrogen in reshaping aviation. Here, we spotlight these achievements, highlighting the path from concept to reality. Chapter 4: Navigating the Future. Looking ahead, the aviation industry is set on a bold path. ZeroAvia's ambition to bring a 20-seater hydrogen aircraft to market by 2024 and Airbus's vision for a zero-emission commercial fleet by 2035 exemplify the sector's commitment to change. Yet, achieving these goals demands overcoming substantial hurdles, from technological barriers to regulatory frameworks. This chapter explores the future of hydrogen aviation, emphasizing the collaborative, multifaceted approach needed to realize these ambitions. Chapter 5: Beyond Aviation. Hydrogen's role extends beyond the skies, promising a ripple effect across the clean energy landscape. By aligning with global sustainability efforts and offering synergies with renewable energy sources, hydrogen-powered aviation paves the way for a comprehensive shift towards a low-carbon economy. This concluding chapter situates hydrogen aviation within the broader context of sustainable development, contemplating its impact on industries, societies, and the planet. Conclusion: as we chart the course towards hydrogen-powered aviation, it's clear that the journey is as challenging as it is promising. Yet, the collective endeavors of innovators, policymakers, and communities are inching us closer to a future where aviation contributes positively to our planet's health. Hydrogen skies are not just a dream but a rapidly approaching reality, signaling a new chapter in humanity's quest for sustainable flight. As we navigate towards a future where the skies are not just a passage but a testament to our commitment to the planet, the journey of hydrogen-powered aviation unfolds as a beacon of sustainable innovation. This path, marked by challenges, innovation, and collaboration, leads us to a horizon where aviation contributes to the health of our world, not its detriment. And now, you have the opportunity to dive deeper into this revolutionary journey. Click the link in the description below to download our latest ebook, Hydrogen-Powered Aviation: The Future of Sustainable Flight. This comprehensive guide is your passport to understanding the science, the breakthroughs, and the visionaries behind hydrogen aviation. From ZeroAvia's pioneering flights to Airbus's ambitious designs for the future, the ebook is packed with insights and stories to fuel your passion for clean technology and aviation. But that's not all. By securing your copy, you're not just gaining invaluable knowledge, you're also supporting our mission at Reneenergy.com to champion the clean energy transition. This is your chance to be part of the movement towards a cleaner, greener future for air travel and beyond. So don't wait. Click the link in the description below, grab your copy of Hydrogen-Powered Aviation, the future of sustainable flight, and join us as we soar into a sustainable future. Together, we can power the change towards cleaner skies and a healthier planet. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future of flight is not just about reaching new destinations, it's about preserving our home. Keep supporting the journey towards sustainable energy with Reneenergy.com. Thanks for tuning into the Reneenergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.